They are going to say, baby, I love you. Whichever one is your wife, all right? You will say, come to me. Please help me and give the mic. If I ask you to give, you give the person the mic, all right? Whoever asks you to give, you give the person the mic. Is that okay? Are you ready now? Are you ready? Are you ready now? Now, give the first lady the mic. Remember what I said? When they say, baby, I love you, if it's your wife, you say, come to me. Is that okay? All right, let's go. Need to break it down so that I can hear them clearly. All right, go ahead.
Baby, I love you.
Is that your wife? Is that your wife? All right, let's go.
Baby, I love you.
Is that your wife?
Chief,
Some people are shouting, hey. All right, go ahead.
Baby, I love you.
Is that your wife?
Baby, I love you.
Is that your wife?
Baby, I love you.
Is that your wife?
Baby, I love you.
Is that your wife? Okay, continue now. Give that. Go ahead.
Baby.
Calm down. Wait. Is that your wife? Eh? You are sure it's the person? Baby. Relax. Remove your glasses, please. Close your eyes. Make sure your eyes are closed. All right? I want to bring the person that is your wife. You will kiss the person with your eyes closed, though. All right? Can you stand up, please? Don't touch the person. Just kiss. All right? Don't touch the person. Just kiss. Stand up, please. Keep your eyes closed. Stand. Your eyes closed. Your eyes closed. All right, please come. The person. Don't touch the person. You. Don't touch him. Just kiss the person. All right. All right. All right. Go ahead. Come closer. So that I said, oh, this guy. This guy. But one day show. It's a one day show. Please put your hands together for them. My guy, one day show. That's what they there. Please, can you bring me my shoe game prop? Sit down, please. I want your guys sit down. Sit down. All right, you guys can go sit. Thank you very much. Married. Who is going to pamper the children? All right, raise the placards. It's like you put raise the placards. Well, okay. Groom says groom. Bride says so. Okay. Now that you are married, who will help the children with their mathematics assignments? Wow, I like the unionism. The beautiful. Groom no say that the bride they okay for that side. Put your hands together for them. Now that you're married, if you have a joint account, who is most likely to be with the ATM card? On Adrian, did you guys see my questions? Okay, put your hands together for them now. Put your hands together for them. If someone enters into the room where you guys are having an argument, who most likely started the argument? Wahala. Put your hands together for them. After the argument, who is most likely to say sorry first? Even though when you start the argument. Okay, that's nice. Between the both of you, who has more friends? Who has more friends? Okay, put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them now. Put your hands together for them. I don't like the way you guys are clapping. Thank you. Between the both of you, who is a better dancer? Bruce, okay, Brian. Oh, all of they agree on the same thing. Okay. Between the both of you, who has a sweet tooth? Who likes sugary stuff more? Brian say Brian. Bruce say Brian. Wow. I like the fact that you guys agree on everything. Okay. Between the both of you, who has a better driving skill? Who drives better? Oh, voila. Okay. Between the both of you, if you live in a city like Lagos, like I do, who is most likely to jump Moluwe bus? But then look and do your own. Raise your own. Who is most likely to jump Moluwe bus? See, raise your placard. Raise your placard. Don't think about it. Baba, now you, why they whine me? Now you go jump me with you don't tell me anything. All right, because they are married. Who do you think said I love you first? All right, let me see your pockets. Who said I love you first? Groom. Now, finally, they are married couple. Tonight, who is most likely going to make the first move? Groom, put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them, people of God. All right, thank you very much. Can you all stand up? Thank you. Give me the mic. Give me the... Can you guys help me remove the chairs? Right now, ladies and gentlemen, this is their first dance. I did not listen very well. I didn't say 20 this time. I said 100. I want you to find your wife's lips. From 100, ladies and gentlemen, I want us to do it together. From 100 downwards. Until we reach 0, you should not stop doing this thing I want you to do now. Now, Tim, can you go ahead and kiss your wife? Go ahead and kiss your wife. Kiss your wife. Go ahead and kiss your wife. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 40, 30. It's okay now. It's okay, Baba. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Ladies and gentlemen, for the very first dance, I give you Mercy and Tim. For Mercy and Tim, please can you put your hands together for them? Can we put our hands together for them? What? very well. I didn't say 20 this time, I said 100. I want you to find your wife's lips. From 100, ladies and gentlemen, I want us to do it together. From 100 downwards. Until we reach 0, you should not stop doing this thing I want you to do now. Now, Tim, can you go ahead and kiss your wife? Go ahead and kiss your wife. Kiss your wife. Go ahead and kiss your wife. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 40, 30. It's okay now. It's okay, Baba. It's okay. What?